Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty. This AMAT is being tested after the repair by our experienced technicians. All valves are tested for leakage, and the full input block is controlled by our custom-designed device net interface for this particular system. After we repair the unit, extra steps are taken to fully document the repair and ensure its proper operation for our customer. At ERD, we offer the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERTV for more videos.